to show up.
Yeah, are you even taking this seriously?
Sorry I'm late.
Right, strongholds, blah. Now I say we go over our lion choreography one more time. I don't want a repeat of what happened last time, Hunk.
I thought my lion had more room.
Shiro, my apologies for interrupting, but this...
What's it doing so far from the normal supply routes?
We can't be certain.
I'll try to ram it out. Cover me! There's no way we can beat all these fighters with only 4 lions!
You don't have to!
No way!
Sorry, but your actions say otherwise. Do you realize that your absence put the team in jeopardy?
And not just the team, the refugees as well.
Matter of fact, the
Part of it. What's the other part?
Could take weeks, maybe months to pull off, but if there is a chance.
I can't be left out of this!
You're right. Good luck.
Hey, while you're out, will you look for some more Fluto beans?